Uyo nyamia sagrada ya kutuo Yesu Uyo nyamia sagrada Amisi ya kutuo Yesu Uyo nyamia sagrada Hello, lovely viewers. You are very welcome to this channel. You are very welcome to this channel. Today we are going to discuss about power chord. Power chord. You can see I was using some power chord in my song, and the song I was singing was Uyo nyamia sagrada Amisi ya kutuo na yesori. So I was using the power chord in my song. Sometimes people hear about power chord, but they don't know what is power chord. Today we are going to talk about power chord and how to use power chord. Power chord, you can choose to use it anywhere, anytime, and any day. It doesn't matter the kind of song you are playing. If you have the idea about the chord progression and everything, playing a power chord is very simple for you. So power chord is, we have so the do mi so play, you leave the mi and you play do so. So the do and the so is the power chord. You see, this is the power chord. So if you want to play your power chord, just leave the mi. So the do and the so is the power chord. The 1 and the 5 is the power chord. The tonic and the dominant is the power chord. Did you get it? So if you want to go to fa, the fa is fa la do. So you leave the la and you play fa do. Is the power chord. You see, so the power chord is 2 notes. So you leave the la, you play the fa, the do, and the fa and the do is the power chord. The 4 and the 1. If you are going to fa is fa la do. So the fa and the do is the power chord. So let's try and use the power chord. I can use. You see. So this is the power chord. Uyo nyamia, I go to me. This is the mi. Usa chadare. Ya kutuo the fa. So to play the power chord, you can choose to use that. And so at the moment you're playing, sometimes you can use it for trumpet. You can use it for trumpet. You see, you can use it for playing trumpet. But the trumpet, no. Some people play chord. The chord, sometimes you get stuck. So this kind of power chord, most of the time, me especially, I use it to play trumpet. And the trumpet, it helps you move faster. You see, so I'm using the one and the, I use the this thing. You see, I want to play so I won't play. You see, but if I want to use the power chord, so the power chord, no, instead of me playing, I'll play. Adia minyeya, wasi baye. Adia minkaya, wasi maka. Oh minye. You see, then the song is with that is the power chord. You see that's, and sometimes worship. Sometimes I use it in worship to like. Sometimes I use it in worship to worship if I'm playing worship. Medi makuma, I'm using the power chord. You see, so the soul, sometimes the soul, if I want the soul to sound like minor, be like I want to blend the soul. Sometimes I use it like this. So the so and the re. I will not bring the T. You see, I will not bring the T that play. You see, yes, and sometimes if I want to blend the major notes, sound like some minor, be major minor, no, I play the fa like this, and I play the fa like this. So when I play the fa like this and I play the fa like this, yeah, then I guess I'm major. I say some major be like I'm blending it. Yeah, so sometimes I use it in the worship. The power chord. See, the power chord, we have some sound. You see, it have some sound there. Look at, you see, it have some p. It have some sound. But that sound is at least some sweetness. So to play a power chord, this is power chord. I've taught you what is power chord. So to use the power chord, it doesn't acquire so many knowledge or something. But Charlie, just you know that you are going too far, or do or so, you use your power chord. So this is the power chord I'm using. So to play a power chord is the do and the so. You just leave the mi. So I remember to play two notes. You play your two notes. It's a power chord. It's a what? It's a power chord. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for watching. But please subscribe for more videos. Bye.